bike yet. Let's start off at the top end. I've got salt grips, as you see, they're not even worn out. Look at my firing. Running pretty well they are. Look at that. They're running pretty well. I got my Wethepeople bars. They're pretty smart. I like those. Running pretty well. My salt stem, like that. Running pretty well. So my tires, salt. Got my salt hub and my salt rims. Yeah, I've got pretty nice dusty. That is so nice, my dust cap. Can't believe you should definitely get one of those. As you see, sponsored by Van and Rockstar. So we put the registry, E-clap pedals, salt crank. I've got salt chain, I think so. I've got a salt sprocket and a salt C-clap. So let's go to the back. Got my salt back tire, salt backwards. Got my salt hub, and my not even